Hey everyone, today I'll tell you how to fix a default skin glitch at Fortnite. Just follow these steps and hope you will rid of this problem. Um, First, check your internet connection is stable. Sometimes Fortnite fails to load skins due to slow and unstable connections. Restart your router and try again. Then restart your game. Close Fortnite completely, then relaunch it. This refreshes your game files and can fix this issue instantly. If you selected different skins, save the changes, then switch back to your original skin. Sometimes this forces the game to reload your skins properly. Epic Games regularly releases update to fix bugs. Then for this, go to your game settings and check if there's an update available. If so, download and install it. If you are on PC, open the Epic Games launcher, go to your library, click on Fortnite, then hit verify to check and fix any missing or corrupted files. There are another way is to log out of Fortnite and log back in. This refreshes your account data and might fix the issue. If these steps are don't work, then try uninstalling and reinstalling Fortnite. It takes time, but it ensures you have a clean install with no glitches. And that's it. That's how you can fix default skin glitch at Fortnite.